Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Intuit Credit Karma Forget Password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up a browser, and then on the search bar simply type in creditkarma.com, and once you hit enter, you'll be landing to the Credit Karma homepage, which looks something like this. Now what you need to do is here click on login option right here, and now if you have forgotten your password and want to reset your password, what you need to do is click on the option that says try another way right here, and once you click on it here, the next page will ask you to enter in your email address. Now enter in the email address connected to your Credit Karma account, and then click on continue. And once you do that, and once the account has been found, all you gotta do is just select the account and then click on recover password or reset password. Now all you gotta do here is enter in your new password 2 times on the both boxes above and below, and once that's done, all you gotta do is simply click on the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your password. And once you do that, your reset link will be sent to your email. All you gotta do is open up your email and then select it or reset link, and then you'll be able to reset your password. Now all you gotta do is reset your password, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.